Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
6 healthy foods you should consider for good sleep. Have you ever noticed that your late afternoon caffeine fix or dinner party wine buzz is keeping you up all night? Well, newsflash, it's more than just lattes and rows affecting your sleep. It's the kind of food that we eat before going to bed. Getting a night of good sleep is important for overall health. It reduces the risk of developing certain chronic illnesses and boosts your immune system. It is necessary to take 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. There are many strategies you can use to promote good sleep, and one of them is to make changes in your diet containing foods having sleep promoting properties. The night best food that you can eat before bed to improve your sleep quality. First, almonds. Almonds are the wonder nut because they include monounsaturated fatty acids, dietary fiber, antioxidants, vitamins like riboflavin, and trace minerals such as magnesium. Also, eating almonds every day promotes health. It helps in preventing premature aging as almonds have antioxidants. It also fights and prevents type 2 diabetes, lowering blood pressure and bad cholesterol by improving the magnesium quantity in blood. In studies, it has been claimed that almonds may also help boost sleep quality. This is because almonds are a source of the sleep regulating hormone melatonin. Almonds are also an excellent source of magnesium. Hence, it helps improve sleep quality, especially for those who have insomnia. Magnesium helps in reducing the level of the stress hormone cortisol and promotes sleep. Having a handful of almonds before going to bed can improve your sleep quality. Second, turkey. Turkey is highly delicious and nutritious, and a serving of turkey provides nearly 50% of the recommended daily allowance of selenium, which promotes thyroid health. It also lowers the risk of dementia and supports bone health by providing a good amount of phosphorus in the blood. Turkey contains a high level of vitamin B content, which is crucial for energy production, and also it is high in protein, which is important for keeping your muscles strong and regulating your appetite. Many people claim turkey is a good food to eat before due to its ability to promote sleepiness. Turkey contains the amino acid tryptophan, which increases the production of the sleep regulating hormone melatonin. Third, chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is a herbal tea made using flower petals from the German chamomile and Roman chamomile plants. It features herbal and fruity notes with a refreshingly smooth finish. It relieves stress, and one of the most common reasons for tea consumption is the powerful ability for its ingredients to aid in relaxation. This tea contains flavones, a class of antioxidants that reduce inflammation that lead to chronic diseases. The studies suggest that drinking chamomile tea may boost your immune system, reduce anxiety and depression. Chamomile tea contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds with the receptors of the brain and promotes sleepiness and reduces insomnia. Fourth, kiwi. The kiwi fruit is one of the few foods that contain a naturally high amount of vitamin B6, antioxidants, fiber, and other important nutrients that will keep your body clean, healthy, and functioning. Eating 2 kiwis 1 hour before bedtime daily is linked to considerable improvement to both sleep quality and quantity. It also helps you fall asleep faster because the kiwi fruit is rich in serotonin, the happy hormone. Fifth, walnuts. The walnuts are a very popular nut, and a handful of walnuts will give you 4 grams of protein, which is about 7.9% of the recommended daily allowance. Walnuts are powerful antioxidants which fight free radical and contain manganese and arginine for healthy bone structure and controlling blood pressure respectively. These walnuts can increase blood levels of melatonin, a hormone that will help in making you sleep better. So pop a handful or less of walnuts before you sleep at night. Sixth, white rice. White rice is a grain that is widely consumed in many countries. The white rice is deficient in bran and germ, making it lower in fiber content, nutrients, and antioxidants. Still, white rice contains few vitamins and minerals and provides folate, thiamine, and manganese, as it increases the blood sugar level quickly after consuming it. Therefore, it improves sleep quality and is associated with better sleep, including longer sleep duration. Getting proper sleep is important for the development of the brain, as healthy sleep increases brain tissue and alters circuits known as synapses. Children who nap longer than 75 minutes retained all they learned. There is also a relationship between poor sleep and a deficient level of growth hormone. However, we are fortunate enough to have certain sleep regulating hormones and brain chemicals including melatonin and serotonin. Additionally, consuming certain foods containing high amounts of specific antioxidants and nutrients, such as magnesium, can enhance sleep and help you fall asleep faster.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.